Check it out, guys. The evga dg-85 full tower gaming PC case. This case is absolutely huge. It's on par with like the 7000D full tower cases. Starting at the rear, you push on this and this opens up to expose fans and also HDMI cable and your mounting for hard drives and your power source at the bottom right there. You've also got this mirror-like finish at the bottom with your USB cables, your audio, and your boost buttons. That's what's meant by boost button. Press on this, swings the door open to expose a nice evga logo and where you install your motherboard and some more storage. You have your power button here as well as two other USB 2.0s and your reset button. At the front, you push on it and it releases so you can install your intake fans, and the top just simply lifts off so you can install your top fan for AIOs, etc. Lastly, this door pulls down to